Hi everyone, a very short video here. I wanted to touch upon a recent, well, quote unquote recent, it's been actually several months, if not since its launch, a bug, an issue with the modern web browser control. And I just wanted to give anyone that was encountering this issue a workaround. If ever you need to retrieve the URL of the current page the user's on, because this does happen in different scenarios, the user navigates, does this and that, and you're wanting to retrieve the current URL. We're lucky, or so we think, because the web browser control has a location URL property. So if I just open up the demo database here, you'll see I load it to Google Maps, let's say, and you click on the button that will use the location URL, and we get this URL, and we think everything is glorious. In some scenarios that is true, but as I have found out with other testing and different scenarios, it isn't reliable. The location URL property is not reliable and should not be used. Let me demonstrate. So if I open this guy up, I have a hidden field. Let's make it visible again, and I'll illustrate exactly what I'm talking about. Now we open the same page, and we'll go get the address. Now initially, it's the same address. Now look what happens. We'll scroll around a bit. Where am I? And you'll see the location URL never changes. It always retains the original value. But as you can see here, if you use the JavaScript approach, you will get the proper updated URL. So all of this to say, you have to use JavaScript if you want to have the proper URL. How is it done? Very simple. It's a one-liner once again. We're just trading up one approach, one piece of code for another. But originally, this would have been the solution. In an ideal world, we would use the location URL property. It is not reliable, so don't use it. Instead, we have to turn towards this guy here. And what we're doing is we're executing this tidbit of JavaScript, okay, window.location.href. So that's what's getting it. And we're using the RetrieveJavascriptValue to run it and return the value that it spits back out. So it's not a huge change, as you can see, but now we employ this to retrieve the proper URL. So just a short video just to explain that. Yes, Microsoft has been advised with a scenario to reproduce the issue, and we can just wait and hope that it gets addressed and that the location URL is fixed to work properly. So we'll stop there, and you'll be seeing another video in the not too distant future about advanced programming with the modern web browser control. That'll be coming out, I'm hoping, next week. So look for that in the near future, guys. Hope you're all well. Have a great day. If you don't mind, like, subscribe, share, drop me some comments. And I always love hearing from you. And we will see you in the next video.